Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen tales. For those of you who didn't know, moudi is a traditional dish of the Angami Naga tribe in Nagaland, often referred to as the king of meat. It is a special occasion delicacy prepared by slow cooking pork or mitoon meat. It consists of large chunks of beef or mitoon and authentically wrapped in a leaf. The interesting part is you can have it as it is, or you can redo it to your own liking by roasting, drying, and so on. As for me, I'm making a simple roast the way I like it, so I hope you enjoy.